Hi, my name is Igor, and today I would like to show to you how to replace Burr holder for your Baratza grinder. Let's do it. Before we start, I would like you to show what is the broken one and what to look and when you need to replace it. Usually the problem is with the wing. If you take a look here, there is 3 wings, 1, 2, and as you see, the number 3 is missing. And this is the good one, so you see 1, 2, 3. So sometime this Burr holder would be in pieces, like I said, or sometime you're just gonna miss one or couple of, or sometime maybe 3 wings. So that's usually the time when you need to replace it. Before you purchase new one, and by the way, we have all those parts available at FrenchPressCoffee.com, you need to consider if you just need to have a Burr holder or inner ring with the Burr holder. So if your grinder is older, I would highly recommend you to replace both of them. So you can get this as a set. If your grinder is doing okay and no need to replace inner Burr or ring Burr, you can just get the Burr holder. It's fine. Let's say you decide to go with just Burr holder replacement. So let's replace the Burr. If you take your old one, there is 2 holders right there. And what you can do is you can just remove one, and you're going to remove the inner Burr holder like this. And then you're going to get your new holder replacement. And again, there is two notches that you need to be aware. Plus, you cannot put them wrong way because as you see, there's flat cuts on both sides, and it's going to just fit this way. It's not going to fit other way. And what you do is you just hold with your 2 fingers and press it like that. So once it's clipped, it's all done. So now I have my ring Burr and Burr holder all together. Let's replace it on the grinder. So I'm going to remove hopper, I'm going to remove the gasket, and pay attention to where the red mark is on your old Burr holder. It's very important. So I'm going to remove it. And now I'm going to place the new ring Burr. And as you will see, it has to stay like this. So it should not go anywhere. And if you look at the grinder, I don't know if you can see here, but there is like a cut on other side, and it should be just opposite to the red mark. But reality is you can either put this way or you can put this way. Either way will work. However, I would recommend you to make sure it's properly aligned. You just need to put, like I said, red mark and opposite to this cut right here. So once you have this, we're going to put our gasket back. And in regards of the hopper, again, there is other cut on the body itself right here. And if you look the hopper, that's where you need to put them together and line them up. And that's it. If you had this issue in the first place, the reason probably why it's happened because your grinder got clogged up. That's why I would like you to mention a couple of products that you can purchase along with Burr holder replacement. So if I take this apart, usually when your grinder is clogged up, this little handy tool from Baratza, it's cleaning brush, is very handy to clean clogging. So what you can do, you can bend a little bit, and you can, once you remove this, you can get inside of that hole and clean the clogging. So that's tool number 1. Also, I would highly recommend you to get some kind of cleaning tablets for the grinder. So what we have here is the grinds with Z at the end. It's available in 630 grams and 105 grams. So you can try this and see how it works. Basically, these tablets, you would use them after 1 or 2 pounds of grinding. You just put them in the grinder, grind it, and they're gonna clean your grinder. So very simple, inexpensive tool to do so. Also, number 1 item at FrenchPressCoffee.com is Baratza gasket. So when you when you're thinking to replace the burr holder, probably need to replace the gasket as well. Think about it, and maybe that's something you will consider when you purchase replacement parts for your Baratza grinder. And that's it, my friends. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let us know in the comments area below. If you have additional questions, let us know. We always love to hear those kind of questions from you. Stay safe and take care. Bye.